How to judge whether the water-cooled chiller compressor is working normally. First, regularly check the operating status of the compressor equipment and check the exhaust temperature, especially when the season changes. If the temperature difference is too large, it may affect the operation of the machine. If abnormalities are found, adjust the system's condensing temperature and liquid supply status in time. Second, for water-cooled chiller equipment, it is also necessary to check the turbidity of the cooling water regularly and replace it if necessary. Third, check whether the water pump is working normally, and check the operation and leakage of the water supply system. Fourth, the refrigerating oil and filter of the chiller should be replaced every 6 months under normal conditions, depending on the usage. The water-cooled chiller should regularly check the oil return of the compressor and keep it clean in the later work. When the oil level drops, replace with new oil in time to avoid damage to the machine due to poor lubrication.